description is screwed. Cause I got the cavities, cavalries ready to aim at your spinal and brain. The system man beneath the simple streets will either get your priorities or put you in the floor with open ovaries. They're running in circles, chasing tails. I wait for my mail, export it and do it all over. Sober, get home and inhale, exhale. It's like just a road, now you just a e-cell. These are my road more difficult than it's supposed to. To the ocean and beneath, you'll find me making you insane. Like that Lovecraft persona, I'm on one like the looper with the drops. I'm killing future personas that travel backward with silver for me to keep on my own. Que cosa tiene este mocoso llorando con mocos? Don't he know he holds the power for his own voyager? A token to the past, but the future holds a path that needs to be planned and craft well. Not Minecraft cause I get motion blur, but I still got it all well. I care for the wrong things, sometimes and that's partially my fault, so I turn my instinct, distance myself to the negativity, but still never level it off my sense. Need to resolve my inability with this lyrical chemist. In the lab I'm studying over and over, I'm way deep in this position. My vision is the whole mission, duality's a construct way deep into the spirituality. You don't have to listen cause this beat got you hooked like a fish to the bait. Oh shit, it's getting late, they still trapped in the cycle of being a narcissist. I guess hypocrisy strikes again, damn like Hitler. You'll be guided into the gates of hell. The bells gives a holy well, and I just sit there watch I sell, ya sell. Grab my sombrero, hit the road, hitchhiking to the next stop, aim the arrow to the sky. I'm in this trippy flow like I took some toad. I fly when my times arrive, but I'ma drop some dimes and jams from dropping fries and opportunities in the past. She says she'll give me her crying diamonds. I can't go that way. After my minds find high nine nostalgia's just a rewinding the VHS tape. We high-fi when we high, we low-fi when we on some drink. Back when 5G was just in the bag and now roaming in our cellular. See how times changed in just a blink. Silence.